Welcome to our newest listing at 2899 Maralice Drive in Carmel, Indiana. Located in Foster Estates, this home has 6 beds, 5.5 baths, custom features, a finished basement, 3-car garage, and your own backyard oasis with a pool. The spacious kitchen features granite countertops, stainless steel appliances, and a walk-in pantry. The open concept floor plan is highlighted by an expansive 2-story great room with a beautiful wall of windows and a double-sided fireplace. The fully fenced backyard is a dream with mature trees, a private in-ground pool, and lush grass for the family to enjoy. Next, you can retreat to your inviting owner suite featuring a tray ceiling, large walk-in closet, and a deluxe master bath with a jetted garden tub, double vanity, and a separate shower. The second bedroom upstairs features a walk-in closet and ensuite bath. The third and fourth bedrooms upstairs feature a large Jack and Jill bath with separate vanities. There are main and lower level bedrooms, each with their own full bath. The basement features a fitness room, game room, bedroom, bar area, and a home theater space with blackout curtains. Listed at $725,000, contact Bob Warner for info or a showing.